Ford, just got done running it. Do strictness combination. Got the AFR cylinder heads on it. Custom pistons, custom ground camshaft. Got the front sump oil pan. Innovator's West Antler. And we got your distributor, manifold, carburetor. And obviously you're going to EFI it sometime. So right now it's kind of set up for boost. Take you in there and show you how to ram. Alrighty, down at the bottom here, 3,500, 436 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque looks like 522. Peak horsepower 601. So it's set up for boost. It's low compression, kind of camshaft for boost. So it really runs pretty good. I'm going to say it's our 600, cylinder head, AFR and stuff, a little bit more cam style and stuff. So runs really well. I'll get her off here, get her in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.